Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing okay. I've been working on trying to find a way to kind of consolidate some of the tech theater material for you guys so that now that we know that we're not going to be here the rest of the year, what few tidbits can I give you so that if you do decide to come and help us in tech theater or maybe someday even explore a career in tech theater, that you would have some basis of what's needed to move on. The last time we were in school, what we worked on was what's called stock scenery. We were talking about different set pieces that you can build for scenery. Just to remind you, things like flats and stairs and risers and those types of things that we had talked about for stock scenery. What I want to talk to you about in terms of set design, we're still staying with set design, um, is what's called the elements of design. Okay, I just want to interject here for 1 minute because I want to clarify that what we were working on back at school was the stock scenery, the technical items needed to build a set, a technical theater builder carpenter's job. What we're talking about now is the designer's work, the elements that you need when you design a set. So you're going to be responsible to design your own set. These are the elements you need. So not just the hands-on stuff, stairs, flats, risers, blah, 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 but the actual visual things that you need to make a good set. Okay? Okay. The elements of design, what it basically means is what is needed in order to make a really good set. So that when you look at it, it is visually pleasing, and it also reinforces the message that the play itself is trying to tell. So, for example, if you're doing a play set in 1760, you certainly don't want your set to look futuristic. It just wouldn't make any sense. Okay, so the 5 or 6 elements of design, those things that are needed in order to make a good set, um, depends on who you speak to, but they are line. So do you have circular lines or are you straight lines? You know, what line do you have? Mass, how big or small it is. Texture, what it feels like and looks like. Does it look rough? Does it look smooth? Does it look soft? Does it look leafy? Whatever it might be. Certainly color is the fourth one that can express, mood and tone 100%. And ornament is one that not everybody includes, but I don't think it's a bad one to include. And basically that means how do you add extra ornamentation or very little ornamentation to make a set come alive. Um, it's also true for costumes. So if you are creating a farmhouse, the ornament, the decorative stuff that you put on it, would probably be very minimal. Whereas if you were creating a gorgeous Victorian palace, the ornament might be much grander and greater to establish that. And the last one that I do sometimes include is just composition. And what composition is just how it all comes together. Um, does it all balance and equal and make sense on stage? You know, is the table oversized or not? Or do the colors match or are they clashing with each other? That would be composition. The overall pleasing picture, does it all work together? So the elements of design that I want you to focus on this week: line, mass, texture, color, ornament, and even composition, so that we can move forward so you can discuss what elements of design, what elements of design for your show you would incorporate. Okay, so what I put up today is a video that I want you to watch. I'm not going to lie, the first couple of minutes it's a little slow. It might be kind of a review. But then I think it is a good video where he goes in and talks about all the different elements of design, and you'll get a better feel for what they are. Also, I am going to put up the PowerPoint that I would have presented to you about all the elements of design. So once you can kind of master these and get a good feel for what they are, you could then think about your own set design and what you would do, you know, how you would incorporate these elements. Okay. I think that's it. I think there's some background noise, people going in and out of the door in my house. I think I got my neighbors chopping trees down. So I'm sorry if it's a little noisy, but I did just want to make sure that I get this out to you. Last thing, please make sure you are turning in some of these assignments, guys, because this is a credit, no credit, pass fail semester. You've got to turn in some work or I cannot give you credit. Okay. I'm going to post my office hours if you need some help. Yeah, and that's it. Definitely email me if you're having trouble getting stuff done. Just stay in touch with me so I know that you're at least trying to connect with the class. Okay? I hope everybody's well. I miss everybody. I actually do miss school. Please take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay safe. And that's it. Have a great day.